come inside, honey.
Well, let me run to the end and back.
No.
Now
Come on. No. Come on inside
I'll
now.
check them out.
No. Matthew, come on. It's raining. Okay, now come on back in. You're getting all wet.
I'm making my back.
Yeah, let's go inside now and take a nice warm shower.
No.
Don't do that. Don't make that part wet. Oh my God, you're soaking. Go get in the shower. Good idea, Daddy.
Nice clean fire.